This sweet and frightful Halloween cocktail, this witch's brew, can be whipped up with only a few ingredients. 1 box of lime Jell-O, 1.5 cups of pineapple juice, and 16 ounces of Sprite. Fully prepare the Jell-O per the package instructions. You want the Jell-O to sit at least 8 hours, so you may need to prepare it a few days in advance depending on when you want to serve. When ready to mix the drink, use a fork to break the Jell-O apart into small pieces with 2 forks. Add the shredded Jell-O to a large pitcher that is at least 1 liter or larger. Add the pineapple juice to the pitcher and stir. Just before serving, pour in the Sprite until the pitcher is full. For best results, pour the Sprite from a higher distance than you normally would so that there is extra fizz at the top of the drink. Serve immediately. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.